The Modern Comfort Portable, high-power, battery-operated blender bring the power of your home blender wherever you go. Crush full-size ice cubes in just seconds. Your best choice for blending on the go and stronger than USB blenders. Enjoy fresh margaritas anywhere. Useful in a variety of settings. Featuring an attractive stainless steel design with a long-lasting battery. Includes a premium water-resistant bag for easy transport. Can be carried two ways, tote or backpack. The portable, high-power, battery-operated blender by Modern Comfort.
Hi, my name is Derek Howes, the Protein Chef, and I am excited to introduce you to the Ninja Nutra Blender Pro. This addition to the Ninja family makes blending easier than ever. The Ninja Nutra Blender Pro is sleek, compact, and comes equipped with single-serve cups, making it perfect for my busy lifestyle. I can make my favorite smoothie and conveniently take it with me wherever I go. This blender comes with a super powerful 1000-watt motor base, which is extremely compact and fits great on my countertop. The single-serve cup with Pro Extractor Blade assembly is great for creating smooth blended drinks like smoothies, extractions, and frozen drinks like pina coladas. It can crush through ice, liquefy and extract fruits, and easily powers through other tough ingredients like leafy greens and broccoli. My favorite features of the Ninja Nutra Blender Pro are the different blending options. Here you can choose from 2 AutoIQ programs or manual blend. AutoIQ is a patented Ninja technology that takes the guesswork out of blending. To use the AutoIQ technology, simply select one of the 2 programs included, either Smoothie or Crush. The machine will then automatically control the motor speed, length of program, and unique pausing and pulsing patterns to ensure you get the perfect result every time. The Smoothie AutoIQ program is perfect if you're looking to make a breakfast smoothie but don't have a lot of time. The Crush feature is great for ice-based recipes like frozen drinks and slushies. Look how quickly the blades crush down the ice. In addition to AutoIQ, the Ninja Nutra Blender Pro also includes 2 manual programs. Use the Start-Stop button to run the blender manually on an even speed, and use Pulse if you want more control over what you're blending. If you don't know where to start, check out the inspiration guide that comes with your Ninja Nutra Blender Pro. There are so many tasty treats, you've got to give it a read.
Meet compact cordless convenience and full-size professional performance with the Cuisinart EvolutionX Cordless Compact Blender. The convenience of no longer being tied to an outlet makes use in any setting possible. This fully rechargeable, portable, and powerful compact blender is perfect to use at home or on the go. The 16-ounce travel cup with lid is BPA-free and makes staying healthy on the go easy. The EvolutionX cordless rechargeable personal blender is powerful enough to crush ice, yet versatile enough to puree soups, dressings, and shakes. The blender base has slip-proof feet for sturdy use, runs on a rechargeable 7.4 lithium-ion battery that won't lose its charge over time, an LED display panel, and a removable 3-foot USB cable port. With the quick charge feature, this cordless compact blender will fully charge in 2 hours for 20 minutes of continuous runtime. All removable parts are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Stay on track anywhere you go with the Cuisinart EvolutionX Cordless Compact Blender.
Hi, I'm Mary Beth from Hamilton Beach with something you're going to love. It's the single-serve blender, perfect for blending that morning smoothie, protein shake, or other blended beverage to go. The single-serve blender is powerful enough for fruit smoothies, icy drinks, and shakes. Its 13-ounce individual-sized jar means you can stop cleaning those large blender jars when you want just one serving. It also doubles as a travel cup. Let's take a closer look. It's light, simple, and easy to store and clean. The power cord wraps around the base for easy storage. It has stainless steel blades and a 175-watt motor that's powerful enough to make fruit smoothies, icy drinks, and shakes. It has one-touch blending, so just use the pulse button to blend. And best of all, the 13-ounce blending jar doubles as a travel cup, so you can sip from the same container you blend in. The portable travel cup fits most car cup holders and includes a tight-fitting travel lid. The single-serve blender from Hamilton Beach is the most convenient way to make and take your smoothies, icy drinks, and shakes wherever you go. Now that's good thinking.